Copy vector to list. Implement a function to copy all elements from a std vector end to a std list end using std copy. So first of all, we will include our preprocessor directives, which is iostream for C in C out functions. Then include vector, include list, so that we have access to vector and list containers. Also, the std copy function is under algorithm module or algorithm STL, so we will import algorithm too. Also, the copy function expects us to pass iterator as an argument, so we have to include iterator too, iterator. Now the line using namespace std, so that we don't have to write std prefix for every STL function we use. Void, let's call it copy vector to list. Now I don't wish that my original vector change, so I'm using the const keyword and %. Let's call the vector vec. Now I'm passing the list, which is also of integer data type. Let's call it my list. Then using copy, now we will specify the range. So from vector begin to vector end, copy everything to the list. So we will use the iterator back inserter here. So back inserter is an iterator which basically internally calls pushback in the container. And we are not using pushback directly here because the argument of copy requires us to use iterators. So copy it in my list or insert it in my list, and then we will call our main, not call, we will declare our main function int main, then vector of integer again. Let's name it vec1 1 5. Then declare the list using list keyword. Again, my list. Now call this function, pass vector and list as an argument, and then we will print the list. Let's give a cout here saying it's a list, and then const integer nums of, let's say, minus cout nums, and then some spaces, return 0.